Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Part A, applying the ratio test, the limit as n goes to infinity of the absolute value of x to the power 2n plus 3 over 2n. Squared less than 1, implying the absolute value of x is less than 1. Testing x equals 1 and negative 1, both yield alternating series that converge by the alternating series test. 2 is an alternating series with terms strictly decreasing in absolute value towards 0. By the alternating series estimation theorem, the error of the absolute value of f of 1 over 2. The first omitted term, which is the absolute value of negative 1 over 2 cubed over 3 equaling 1 over 24. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.